Hello everybody, my name is Ville. I come from App Campus. So we're the sugar daddies, so to say. My first question is, how many of you are interested in getting funded? At least half of the room. That's a good sign. Because the guys in the back row, they don't have a chance. But like I said, we're looking for 4 to 5 teams to fund out of this event. So actually, when I look at how many of you are here, you actually have a very good chance in getting funded. And I'm going to tell you a bit more about App Campus and what are we looking for. So App Campus, in a nutshell, so basically we're a project between Nokia, Microsoft and Aalto University. Our goal is to find the next big applications developed for Windows Phone. And so basically we have 21 million of funding, and most of that we're going to spend to fund teams. So in our program, we're a 3-year program, we're aiming to fund 6 million euros per year. And so far we've done, I believe, around 8 to 9 million. So we're giving out money, a lot of money, but at the same time we're seeking for the next success cases. And the good thing is we're a unique mobile accelerator, so we're only focusing on mobile applications developed for Windows Phone. And we don't take any equity, so there's no dilution from your company. We don't take any part of your IP. So we almost let you free hands to develop what you're passionate about. But what we do is that we help you to do that. So we have an extensive network of experienced people who can help you in many fields in developing your application. So the funding is only one part of the game. So these are the grants that we're giving out. So we have 3 different grants. The largest one, 70K, the medium one, 50K, and the smallest one is 20K. How do we decide which one is which? To be honest, we're not giving that much out 70Ks. We're mostly giving out 20 and 50,000 euro grants. And that's basically based on the cost structure of the application. So if we see that developing this application takes more money, there's a bigger chance in getting 50 or even 70. But I would say 70 are more or less kind of exceptional cases. The criteria we look when selecting applications are the following. So first of all, differentiation. So that there's something unique in the application that you're doing. It can also be a porting case, but then we do require some exclusivity for Windows Phone. And to be honest, just saying that we're going to do live tiles is probably not enough. So you really need to think about it. It can be also content. So if you're doing a game, you can propose some additional levels, characters, similar. Something special that is only available on Windows. Then the mass market appeal. So if you have an application that is sort of focusing on some niche, so let's say it's only targeted for women, or only for men, or only for young kids, or something like that, then that's not really something that we're super interested about. We might be interested, but what we're looking for is applications that have potential to scale up to millions of downloads. And we also take a look on the experience. So, and I would say this is probably the most important one. So we want to see that the team has actually developed something already. It necessarily doesn't have to be on Windows Phone. It can be on the other platforms. It can be Symbian, it can be Asha as well. But we do want to see that the team can deliver. If you're a fresh team, as you know, some of you might be, then probably I would advise, you know, getting some more experience, getting 1 or 2 titles already published, and trying to do as good job with them as possible. And the final point being is the overall convincing proposal. So, you know, your application is well done. You placed mock-ups, diagrams, pictures on the application. You might have even done a video, demo video, at least a video presenting your team. Who are we? Why are we the best to make this happen? And why App Campus should grant you an award. Some statistics here. So we received to this moment, I believe it's more than 3,600 applications. So actually quite a few applications. So it's been really great to see so many developers taking App Campus, seeing as an opportunity and applying. We've funded around 200 applications so far. It says the amount approved is around 6 million, but I would say it's even more at the moment. Most of the applications are coming from Finland. Surprise, surprise. App Campus is based in Finland with the roots from Nokia, well as Microsoft now. We're getting a lot of applications from Finland, so that's probably the reason there's most of the applications, most of the awards have gone to Finland. So, but in general, there's nothing country specific. Actually, we would even prefer getting more applications outside Finland. But the main point is other criteria I already showed you, and there's a true global potential in the title that you're working on. Just wanted to show you a bit about the process. So if you're getting funded, if you're getting an award, this is pretty much how it goes. So it's a bit of a small font, but I'll try to explain. So first what you do, you fill out an online application. And actually after October, we're not receiving any more open applications. So you need to have a referral code to apply for App Campus. And today is one of those days where we're actually handing out referral codes for you, so you can apply. Once you've done the submission, we do the evaluation. So we're using the criteria I already showed you. We try to give you an answer within a month. We're doing our best, but due to Christmas holidays, New Year's, we have quite a pipeline there already. But it should take more than 4 weeks. And then comes the design phase. If you're getting awarded, the design phase, the first one, once you completed that, you receive the first part of your award. So 30% of the money. Then comes the implementation part and the final review, where you receive the rest, so 70% of the funding. And then comes the go-to-market part, which is actually a very important part. So, and there we're helping you together with Microsoft and Nokia to get as much as marketing support, merchandising support for your application. But at the same time, the team needs to be really active themselves in doing that. And then we also have something called App Academy. So this is our acceleration camp, or boot camp, you could say, that is hosted here in actually in Espoo, in the Aalto Open Innovation House premises. Mike over there, he's running that show. So, and for App Academy, so we select around 20 teams per each batch. And batch runs 2 times a year, so we have a spring and a fall one. And we try to select the most promising applications that have received funding. And mostly we'll be working on the go-to-market part. So just something I wanted to kind of show you and giving you a better picture. This slide here, honestly, I think it's more targeted for the audience outside Finland. So my final words here. So like I said, we're based upstairs, me and Mike. Come and meet us. do a pitch. You might actually, do a bit of a rehearsal before that, but no stress. Just come and talk to us. And then, if we find your idea has potential, getting an App Campus award, we'll be giving you the referral code that you can use to apply for App Campus. We'll also be giving out some merchandising and some handouts and so forth. But and if you don't have an idea to pitch, just come and say hi and let's grab a cup of coffee. Without further ado, this was kind of my introduction to App Campus. I want to wish you a very, very productive, good day. Hopefully you'll learn a lot about Unity, getting a lot of things done, and I can already feel the excitement. If you have any questions.
The strengths of Microsoft platform is really supporting the developers and having very strong community.
Not so big crowds are on the market right now, so you could be highlighted with very small but very good application.
You can monetize very easily.
And the developer tools really good. Visual Studio and Expression Blend I really like.
I don't think that Microsoft has any competition in today's market. They're the only one that can provide you end-to-end platform to develop.
I love working on Windows platform. It's easy and fun, and I feel creative when I get to work on it.